Hello students, I am Dr. Nagrani Mahajan and I am back to you with yet another interesting domain of healthcare sciences known as medical coding. Medical coding is about translating medical reports into short codes. This procedure helps healthcare system to summarize cumbersome medical reports into efficient and data-friendly codes. It is all about knowing how to navigate between three important code sets, that is ICD code, CPT code and HCPCS codes. This procedure helps coders to document the medical condition of patient and medical procedures performed on the patient based on their medical condition. It is a very important system that plays key important role in healthcare operation. This helps in effective communication with each other and with healthcare systems in India and with the world. In this course, you will be able to learn about medical coding, different types of medical codes, vocabulary of medical coding, introduction to ICD code and using ICD codes, HCPCS codes and their modifiers, CPT code and using CPT codes, and many more things to learn in this course. After completing this course, you can get good job opportunities in healthcare sectors, pharmaceutical companies and government-led departments where these kinds of work is being carried out. What are you waiting for? Enroll in the course and start learning.